All right, here's a good question where you're asked to find, you got a ball thrown up, velocity, whatever, and it gives you this function. Let me write that down. S is equal to minus 16 t squared plus 128 t. And they say, what's the maximum height reached by the ball? So this is sort of like y, and the t is sort of like x. So x would be the time, and y is going to be the height. S is the distance up, or the height. So if the ball goes like this, the vertex will be up here, and that'll be my maximum height. So I'll be able to figure out what the maximum height is, and I'll also be able to figure out at what time that happens. I can do that by finding the vertex of this function. So to get the vertex, to get the x-coordinate, minus b over 2a, minus something over 2 times something. So b is 128 over a is minus 16. So this would be negative 128 over negative 32. The negatives cancel. I think that comes out to 4. So x is 4, so that'll be 4 seconds. That'll be this distance here. So it takes 4 seconds to get to its maximum height. And then to figure out the maximum height, that's y, then just figure out the value of the function when you plug a 4 in everywhere you see, in this case, a t. So negative 16 times 4 squared plus 128 times 4. So 4 squared is 16, 16 times 16, negative 256. Plus, that'll be a 2, 3, 11, 1, 5. So negative 256 plus 512, I think, is 256. So that'll be the height that the ball reaches. That's very high, 256 feet high. That's a little wild. Anyway, that's how you could figure that one out.